Good evening all. How are you all?
We are fine. Thank you. Thank you.
All are ready to learn maths?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, now I'm going to mute all. Okay, listen to ma'am and look at the screen. Okay, so we'll discuss last day, second chapter. Okay, what is the name of the chapter? What's the name of the chapter? Patterns. Okay, now let me ask Ashif, what's the spelling of pattern? Ashif, what's the spelling of pattern? P-A-T-T-E-R-N. P-A-T-T-E-R-N. Pattern. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of pattern? Pattern means designs. Okay. Also, we saw the definition for pattern. A repetition of what? Repetition of shape. Okay. Repetition of basic shapes is called repetition of
Is called
shape is called pattern. Okay, I will show you some patterns. Yesterday I showed you, but it was not clear, I think. So I will show you once more. Then we will move to the exercises. Okay, which is related to pattern. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen. Okay, I will show you some patterns. Okay, so we discussed pattern last day. So pattern means it is design. Okay, and also we saw some patterns in our surroundings. Okay, we saw pattern on floor. Also we saw pattern on wall. Also we saw mehendi. Okay, then we saw some designs on the dress. Also we made some patterns using basic shapes. From that we understood it is a repetition of basic shapes, and that we call pattern. Okay, then also we saw some floral carpets. Okay, so some what we can say, some pattern on tablecloth. Also we saw some windows having some designs. Okay, I will show you once more the designs. Okay, can you see the screen?
yes.
Okay, now what you can see on the screen? You can see a wall. Okay, on the wall you can see some designs, beautiful designs you can see having yellow color. Can you see the screen? Can you see the pattern? Yes. Okay, now I will show you some other patterns. Okay, see the floral carpet. Here also we can see some designs. Okay, what is this? What is this? Sari design. On the sari, on the border, we can see some designs. Okay, now see the window grill.
Yes.
How was it?
Window.
It's this also
Window.
designs. Okay, design on window. See the floor. See the floor.
Design.
Designs. Designs we can see on the floor. We can see the designs on the floor. See the mehendi? Mehendi on the hand?
Yes.
Nice, no? Nice flowers, no? On the hand.
Design.
Design. See the tablecloth? See the tablecloth? On the tablecloth also we can see some designs. Here we can see flowers, red flowers on the tablecloth. So we saw some designs which we can see in our surroundings. Okay. Now we will move to the exercise. We are completing some designs or some patterns. Now no need to write. Listen to ma'am and look at the screen. We are completing some patterns. Okay. You have to listen to ma'am and look at the screen. Okay. So okay, so we are going to complete this pattern. Okay, no need to write now. Again and again, I am saying no need to write now. I will give time to write. Now look at the screen and listen to ma'am. Okay, complete the pattern. Complete the pattern. We are going to complete the pattern. Now let us see the first pattern. Okay. It's a triangle. Again one rectangle. Again one triangle. One more rectangle. Okay. Then we have to fill. Okay. We have to fill. Devadash, listen to ma'am. No need to write now. Put your pencil down. Okay. And look at the screen, Devadash. Unmute your device. Unmute your device. Okay. Here you can see one pattern. But something is missing here. Okay. That we have to complete. This is a pattern made up of triangle and rectangle. One triangle, rectangle. Again we are repeating. Triangle, rectangle. So what will be the next one? What will be the next one?
Triangle.
It will be a triangle. Very good. Now what is the next one?
Rectangle.
Very good.
Rectangle.
A rectangle. It is a rectangle. Very good. Okay. So we will move to the second one. We will move to the second one. Okay. Now I'm going to draw a square. Then one rectangle. Again one square. Again one rectangle. Then it is dash. Sarah Rofin, here we can see we use square and rectangle. Square,
Yes.
rectangle, square,
Yes.
rectangle. What will be the next figure?
Square.
It will be square. What about the next one?
Rectangle.
Very good. We have to draw one rectangle. Very good, Sarah. Now we will move to the next one. We will move to the next one. It's a third one. Okay. Circle, circle, one square. Circle, circle, square. Again one circle. Okay. Now it is dash. Anmia Faustina. Here we can see circle, circle, square. Again circle, circle, square. So what will be next? Circle already drawn. What will be the next figure? Anmia Faustina. Unmute your device and see. What will be next?
Square.
See? There are two circles. Then only square is coming. Okay. I draw here only one circle. So what will be next? What will be next?
Circle.
We have to draw one circle. Then we have to draw Anmia.
Square.
We have to draw one square. Then we completed. And now we will move to the next one. Okay. We will move to the fourth one. Okay. Note now. I will give time. one square, then one circle, one rectangle. Again triangle, circle, rectangle. Sorry, I said here square, I think. Sorry, it's a rectangle. Okay. Now again triangle. Okay. So triangle, circle, rectangle. Triangle, circle, rectangle. Again triangle. Now I will put dash. Okay. I will put a dash. Now Veda Vinod Kumar. Look at the fourth one. Triangle, circle, rectangle. Triangle, circle, rectangle. Triangle. So what will be next?
Circle.
It is circle. Okay. It is circle. So we have to draw one circle here. What is the next one?
Rectangle.
It is a rectangle. So now you understood how we have to fill the pattern? You understood?
Yes.
Yes. Now we will
Yes.
move to the next one. Okay. Now we are going to color the pattern. Okay. Now no need to do listen to ma'am and look at the screen. Okay. We are going to color the pictures. Color the pictures according to the pattern. Color the pictures according to the pattern. According to the patterns. Okay. Now
And we want to write the rough book.
no, not now. I will give time. Now listen to ma'am and look at the screen. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So here you can see a big square, then a small square, again a big square, again a small square. And one more big square and small square is that's not colored. Okay. We have to color according to the pattern. Here we can see the big square is which color? Which color?
Green.
Green color. So this big square also what color will be?
Orange.
Should be green color. Okay? Big square should be green color.
Green color.
Green color. Okay? Green
Orange.
color. Then what about the small
Orange.
square? Orange.
Orange.
Orange. Okay? Now we will do the next one.
Rectangle, square.
Okay. Now you can see the second one. Here
Yes.
we use a triangle and rectangle. What is the color of the triangle? What's the color of the triangle? Pink color. What about the rectangle?
Red.
So here the triangle should be in which color? Triangle should be in green. Sorry, triangle should be in pink color. Then what about the rectangle? What about the rectangle? Red color. It should be red color. So we fill the color. Okay, we got a pink triangle, red rectangle, pink triangle, red rectangle, pink triangle, red rectangle. Okay. So
I can't see the book.
okay, you all understood now. Now we can take the
Yes.
rough book and pencil and crayons. Okay, take a rough book, pencil and crayons. Okay, now so I will do here on the screen. You will do in the rough book. Okay, all are ready? All are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we can do it. Okay, you write in the rough book and
Yes, ma'am.
I will do in the on the screen. Okay, complete. COMPLETE. Right. Write in the rough book. Complete the pattern. Complete the pattern. COMPLETE. Complete. The. The pattern. PATTERN. Complete the pattern.
Ma'am, I finished.
Very good. Let others complete.
Ma'am,
Let others complete. Now we will do the first one. Okay? We will do the first. Complete the pattern. That spelling you completed?
yes.
Okay, now we will move to the first pattern.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first pattern? We draw a triangle. Draw a triangle.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I know a crayon.
Not now. We will use the crayon for the next page. Okay. Here we are completing the pattern. The other page we will do using colors. Okay. So for the first one, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle. So what will be the next one? What will be the next?
Triangle. Triangle.
It is triangle. After the triangle,
Rectangle.
very good. It is rectangle. Okay. Now we will move to the next one.
ഒരു ലൈൻ വിട്ടു ഒരു ലൈൻ വിട്ടു
Okay.
Square, rectangle, square, rectangle. So for the second one, we draw one square, one rectangle, again square, rectangle. So what will be the next? What will be the next?
Square.
Square. After the square,
Rectangle.
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 Okay, good.
Square.
Now we will move to the third one. Circle, circle, square. Circle, circle, square. Again one more circle. Then dash, dash. For the third one, we draw circle, circle, square. Circle, circle, square. Then again circle. So what will be the next? It will be circle. What is the next one? What is square? Square.
Square.
Now we will move to the fourth one. Here we draw one triangle, then one circle, then one rectangle. One more triangle, circle, rectangle,
Triangle.
then triangle.
Triangle. Triangle. Circle. Triangle. No.
Then we will put a dash.
Rectangle.
For the fourth one, we draw triangle, circle, and rectangle. Triangle, circle, rectangle. Triangle, what will be next?
Circle.
It is circle. What will be the next?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. So we completed the pattern. We completed the pattern.
Ma'am, I don't finish.
Okay, you complete. Take time and complete.
Ma'am, I completed.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have not completed.
Those who completed, we can do next page. We can wait for others. Okay, let others also complete.
What happened?
Finish early.
Let others complete.
Okay. You wait there if you have finished.
Let others complete.
I have completed.
Sahasra, show me your rough book.
I have completed.
Very good.
I have completed. Ma'am, I have completed.
Good.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Very good, Anmiya. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, I
Nita,
have
I saw.
completed.
Shivanidya, I saw.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, good.
I have
Okay,
completed.
Malavika. Malavika, I saw. Ayan, I saw. Now, can
Ma'am, I have.
we move to next page?
Yes, ma'am.
You are ready with the crayons?
Yes. Ma'am, I not finished.
Okay, you write. After that, only I am moving. Okay, you complete it.
കുടുങ്ങി എന്നിട്ട് കുടുങ്ങി മാല കുടുങ്ങി മാല കുടുങ്ങി.
Okay, shall we move? Shall we move to next page? Okay.
Shall we move? Yes. Yes.
So this you have to do in the next page, or if you have space in the same page, you can do it there. Otherwise, you can go to the next page. Color the pictures according to the pattern. I will write once more. Color the pictures. COLOUR. Color the pictures. PICTURES. Color the pictures. Color the pictures. Color the pictures.
Ma'am, I do.
Very good. Let others complete, okay? Let others complete. Pictures. 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 Color. COLOUR. Color. COLOUR. Color. The pictures.
Ma'am, we color.
Yeah. You have to color it. You have to use the crayons.
Ma'am, I finish.
Very good. Let others complete. Ishan Krishna. Ishan Krishna, where is the rough book? Ishan Krishna, where is the rough book? Ashif Shafiq, Ivania Rose, please switch on the video. Ansel Lijo. Ashif, show me the rough book. Okay. Okay, good. You do the coloring.
No.
Okay, you do it. Ishan Krishna, where are you? Ishan?
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, good. Ishan, where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, very good. So we draw the first one, squares, big square and a small square. Very good. Anmia Regal. Very good. For the first one, we draw squares having different size. Big square, small square, and all the big squares are green in color, and all the small squares are.
Completed.
Okay, very good, Malavika. Malavika, I saw.
Ma'am, I don't finish. I have completed.
Very good. Ayan, yes, I saw your rough book. Very good. Ishan Krishna also I saw. Some others are moving here and there. I think somebody else only. Okay.
I complete. Ma'am, I finish.
Okay, good. Very good, Anton. Anton, I saw.
I finish.
Okay, good. Ryan, Shumi, very good, very good.
Ma'am, I finish.
Okay, good. Sarah, having some designs on your dress, having stripes, white and red.
Ma'am, I finish.
Very good, Abel. Abel, I saw. Abel, I saw.
Ma'am, I finish.
Okay, good.
Ma'am,
I'm going to stop sharing. Let me stop sharing. Let me stop sharing the screen.
Yes.
Okay, is there anybody to complete? Okay, Krishnaraj. Krishnaraj, I saw. Okay, then. So, Agnes Teresa, you completed or not? Agnes. Okay, good. Okay, okay. So, I will send the notes in the evening that you have to write in the Max notebook. Okay. And when you are doing the coloring, use crayons only in the notebook. Okay. Don't use sketch or watercolor and all. Okay. Only use crayons. Okay. And did you write and study the spelling of pattern yesterday?
Yes.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am.
Yes. Very good, Shivedya. Shivedya, I saw your rough book. Okay. So, very good. We will continue tomorrow also. Okay. Means tomorrow means next class. Okay. So, I'm going to winding up today. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye. See you. Bye.